Alright guys, back with another tool review. Um, this is something that most of mechanics will have in their shops. Even though the hobbyist will buy at least a cheaper version off of it. This is something that it helps a lot if you make a mistake, or if you have problems with things like this is. If you snap one of these in your engine, on your chassis or somewhere, you're gonna need things like this. This is ABN 110 piece tap and die set. It has metrics and I don't think it has it doesn't have a USA, but it has metrics, which is what I need. I do have a cheaper version of this, which is of course Harbor Freight one. This I actually got over on Amazon, and I've been using it a couple of times. I'm really happy because this set actually have, let me get you off of this set actually have a bigger stuff, not just like your small, so you are able to actually do M18s and M16s and stuff like that. Same thing with this part here. I do think that you actually get two of each, which that's it's cool if in case you break one, but also they could have put, instead of two M18s, they could have put actually a United States instead of metrics, so you could have a mix of two. But hey, this is also good, because like I said, if you break one, which you will, eventually you will break one of these, you're gonna have a spare, so that's pretty cool. Also, on these over here, which is to make threads on outside or to clean them, you do not get two. You do not get spare. So yeah, I think these are not, you don't break these as much compared to these. These are actually in the whole stuff that it makes threads or fixes threads. So yeah, these don't cost that much. It's not expensive stuff, but it's something that you will need eventually over time, because like I said, all the time you're gonna have bolts like that or something where you're gonna strip them, where you're gonna need something to fix it, and this is what it does the job. So yeah, pretty much this is a really good investment. I will post the link in the description for this Amazon thing. I do think that you can get cheaper stuff as well, but always that cheaper is not, doesn't mean it's gonna last. So like I said, you can go with the Harbor Freight. I will post the link of that one too. uh, except Harbor Freight one, like I said, doesn't have, it actually have US and European sizes, but it doesn't have huge sizes. It's like, I think it's up to M10 or something. But yeah, these are way bigger. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. It's a really good quality thing, that I tried, tested a couple of times. It works really good. The case itself is really decent. I like how they don't pop out, they don't fall out, like compared to Harbor Freight one. If you do it like that, it's a mess. It just doesn't stay in there. And these are just stuck in there. You're gonna have things like this that will fall out in a Harbor Freight one compared to this one stays. So yeah, like I said, this is something that most of us will use, and I really suggest this one. I believe they also have a United States sizes too. So if I find it, I'll post it in the link below as well. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to show this tool, and to show you that actually you need stuff like this in your, if you're in your hobby garage, or whenever you're doing things. So yeah, anyway, this is pretty much what I wanted to show you today. uh, like I said, I will leave the links below. Make sure you like it, share, subscribe, and I will catch you next time in my next video, which should be pretty soon. So yeah, this is the name, ABN Auto Body Now. So yeah, check it out. Thank you guys again, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.